Good morning to one and all. In the previous session, I explained the definition of Laplace transform and basic properties of Laplace transform, that is linear property and first shifting property, and also I derived some formulas for finding of Laplace transform of standard functions. By using those standard functions and linear property and first shifting property, in this session I am going to find out the Laplace transforms of given functions. Find L of t cubed plus 4t square minus 3t plus 5. Here it is a polynomial. So, by using the known formula, that is L of t power n equal to n factorial by s power n plus 1, here n is a positive integer. By using linear property, we can write L of t cubed plus 4t square minus 3t plus 5 as L of t cubed plus 4 into L of t square minus 3 into L of t plus 5 into L of 1. So, observe the Laplace transform of t cubed can be evaluated by using this formula. Compare t cubed with t power n, then we can find out n equal to 3. So, Laplace transform of t cubed is 3 factorial by s power 3 plus 1, that is 3 cubed by s power 4 plus 4 as it is. Again compare n equal to 2. So 2 factorial by s power 2 plus 1, that is 2 factorial by s cube. Again compare n equal to 1. So 1 factorial by s power 2. And also I know that Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s. Now the value of this expression is L of t cubed is 3 factorial by s power 4, 4 as it is. The Laplace transform of t square is 2 factorial by s cube minus 3 as it is. Laplace transform of t is 1 factorial by s square plus 5 into L of 1 is 1 by s. Everyone know the 3 factorial value is 6, 2 factorial is 2, 1 factorial is 1. So, the final Laplace transform of given function is 6 by s power 4 plus 8 by s cube minus 3 by s square plus 5 by s. Next question, find L of e power minus 5t plus 5 into e power minus 2t. To evaluate this value, I am going to use linear property and also L of e power minus at equal to 1 by s plus a, where s is greater than a. Laplace transform of e power minus 5t plus 5 into e power minus 2t can be written as L of e power minus 5t plus 5 into L of e power minus 2t by using linear property. Compare these two exponential functions, then we can get a equal to 5. Substitute that 5 here, then we are going to get 1 by s plus 5. Again compare these two exponential functions, then we are going to get a equal to 2. Substitute that a value here, that is 1 by s plus 2. Now take LCM and simplify, then the Laplace transform of given function is 6s plus 27 by s square plus 7s plus 10. Next question, find L of 3 into cos h 4t plus 4 into sin 2t. Here I am going to use the formulas L of cos h at equal to s by s square minus a square, where s is greater than a. L of sin at equal to a by s square plus a square, where s is greater than 0. So again by using linear property, L of 3 into cos h 4t plus 4 into sin 2t can be written as 3 times of L of cos h 4t plus 4 times of L of sin 2t. So compare cos h at and cos h 4t, then a equal to 4. Substitute that a equal to 4 here, then 4 square is 16. That means Laplace transform of cos h 4t is s by s square minus 16 plus 4 as it is. Now compare sin 2t with sin at, then we are going to get a equal to 2. So 2 by s square plus 2 square is 4. That means Laplace transform of sin 2t is 2 by s square plus 4. Therefore, the Laplace transform of given function is 3s by s square minus 16 plus 8 by s square plus 4. Next question. Find L of 5 into sin h 3t minus 4 into cos 5t. So, we know that L of sin h 80 as a by s square minus a square, where s is greater than a. L of cos 80 is s by s square plus a square, where s is greater than 0. Again, by using linear property, the Laplace transform of 5 times of sin h 3t minus 4 times of cos 5t can be written as 5 into L of sin h 3t minus 4 into L of cos 5t. Compare sin h 80 and sin h 3t. Then we are going to get a equal to 3. So substitute in this RHS, that is 3 by s square minus 3 square is 9. So L of sin h 3t is 3 by s square minus 9. Minus 4 as it is. Again compare cos 80 and cos 5t. Then a equal to 5. So s by s square plus 5 square is 25. That is L of cos 5t is s by s square plus 25. Now the Laplace transform of given function is 5 into 3 is 15 by s square minus 9 minus 4s by s square plus 25. Next question. Find L of t power minus 5t plus t power 5 by 2. Here the powers of t are constants. That's why we are going to use t power n equal to gamma of n plus 1 by s power n plus 1. If n is a positive integer, in that case we are going to use the formula L of t power n equal to n factorial by s power n plus 1. So the Laplace transform of t power minus 5 by 2 plus t power 5 by 2, again by using linear property, the given Laplace transform can be written as L of t power minus 5 by 2 plus L of t power 5 by 2. Compare t power n and t power minus 5 by 2, then n equal to minus 5 by 2. That is minus 5 by 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 3 by 2. So gamma of minus 3 by 2 divided by s power minus 3 by 2. Again Laplace transform of t power 5 by 2, that is gamma of 5 by 2 plus 1. 5 by 2 plus 1 is 7 by 2, s power 7 by 2. Now I want to evaluate gamma of 7 by 2 and gamma of minus 3 by 2 by using these two formulas. Gamma of n plus 1 by 2 equal to 1 into 2 into 3 up to 2n minus 1 divided by 2 power n root pi gamma of n equal to gamma of n plus 1 by n. Gamma of 7 by 2 equal to, this 7 by 2 can be written as 3 plus 1 by 2. That is n equal to 3. Substitute n equal to 3 here. 2 into 3, 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So 1 into 3 into 5 divided by 2 cubed into root pi. 3 5s are 15. Root pi by 2 cubed is 8. Gamma of minus 3 by 2 is evaluated by using this formula. Substitute n equal to minus 3 by 2. Then gamma of minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Minus 3 by 2 plus 1 is minus 1 by 2. N is minus 3 by 2 only. If the fraction lies in the denominator, that will be reciprocate. So, minus 2 by 3. Gamma of minus 1 by 2. Again use the same formula to find out gamma of minus 1 by 2. That is gamma of minus 1 by 2 plus 1. That is gamma of 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2. Again here fraction is there. Fraction will reciprocate. That becomes 2. Minus into minus is plus. That means 2 by 3 into 2. We know that gamma of 1 by 2 is root pi. That's why the final value of gamma of minus 3 by 2 is 4 by 3 root pi. So substitute these two values here. Then we are going to get this expression. Observe here root pi is common. Take root pi common, then we can get the final value of given Laplace transforms. Next one, find L of cos square at. Everyone know the formula for cos square at, that is 1 plus cos 2at by 2. Substitute that value in the place of cos square at. Again by using linear property, take 1 by 2 outside and apply Laplace transform for 1 and Laplace transform for cos 2at separately. We know that Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s and also Laplace transform of cos 2at as s by s square plus 2a whole square. But 2a whole square is 4a square. Take LCM and simplify, then we are going to get Laplace transform of cos square at as s square plus 2a square by s into s square plus 4a square. Next one, Laplace transform of sin cubed at. Here also we know that sin cubed at as 3 times of sin at minus sin 3at by 4. Substitute sin cubed at value, then we are going to get this step. Here 1 by 4 is constant, put aside and also write down separate Laplace transform for each function by using linear property. So here 3 is a constant, put aside. Laplace transform of sin at is a by s square plus a square minus, here in the place of a we have 3a. That's why I am writing 3a here and also 3a whole square here. That means Laplace transform of sin 3at is 3a by s square plus 9a square. Take LCM and go on simplifying, then we are going to get Laplace transform of sin cubed at as 6 into a cubed by s square plus a square into s square plus 9 into a square. Next question, that is Laplace transform of cos h square 4t. So Laplace transform of cos h square 4t is there. So this can be written as cos h 4t whole square. We know that the expression for cos h 4t, that is e power 4t plus e power minus 4t by 2 whole square. So here 2 square is 4, that 1 by 4 I am going to put outside. Here we are going to get the expression a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square means e power 4t whole square, that is e power 8t. B square means e power minus 4t whole square, that is e power minus 8t. Now 2 times of ab. Observe product of these two. When bases are equal, add powers, that is e power 0. E power 0 is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. That's why I am going to get the expression like this. That is 1 by 4 into L of e power 8t plus L of e power minus 8t plus 2 into L of 1. I know the value of Laplace transform of e power 8t, that is 1 by s minus 8. I already explained in the previous video, if plus a is there, we are going to write minus a. If minus a is there, we are going to write plus 8 here. Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s. So 1 by s into 2 is 2 by s. This is the final value of given Laplace transform. Next one, Laplace transform of sin 5t into cos 2t. Now I am going to convert this product into addition by using known formula, that is sin a cos b equal to 1 by 2 into sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Here a equal to 5t, b equal to 2t. Substitute here 5t plus 2t is 7t. 5t minus 2t is 3t. Now I am going to use the formula Laplace transform of sin at. The formula of Laplace transform of sin at is a by s square plus a square. Here a equal to 7. So Laplace transform of sin 70 is 7 by s square plus 49. Again by using the same formula, here a equal to 3. So 3 by s square plus 3 square is 9. This is the value of given Laplace transform. Next question. This is Laplace transform of sin t plus sin 2t into sin 3t. Once again, next one is L of sin t, sin 2t, sin 3t. So here first I am going to use two formulas. One is sin a sin b formula and one more is sin a cos b. Observe here, first sin t into sin 2t. I am going to change this as sin 2t into sin t to avoid negative sign when I am doing a minus v. So here a is 2t, b is t. A plus b means, so I am going to use this formula. A plus b means 3t, a minus b means t. So I am going to get 1 by 2 into cos t minus cos 3t. So next, sin t into sin 3t into sin 3t, that is 1 by 2 into the expression what we get earlier, that is 1 by 2 into cos t minus cos 3t into sin 3t. Multiply these two. Then we are going to get 1 by 2 as it is sin 3t cos t, sin 3t into cos 3t. But sin 3t into cos t equal to 1 by 2 into sin 4t plus sin 2t by using above formulas. Again, sin 3t into cos 3t equal to 1 by 2 into sin 6t plus sin 0. This is also by using above formulas. Sin 0 is 0. That's why the simplification of this one is 1 by 2 into sin 6t. Finally, sin t into sin 3t into sin 3t equal to 1 by 2. Observe, this is here 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into this value 1 by 2 into sin 4t plus sin 2t minus, y minus means minus here, minus 1 by 2 into sin 6t. Here 1 by 2 is there, here 1 by 2 is there. Take 1 by 2 outside, then Already 1 by 2 here. One more 1 by 2 as common. Then 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. The remaining function is sin 4t plus sin 2t minus sin 6t. Now 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Apply Laplace transform for this function. That is 1 by 4 into L of sin 4t plus sin 2t minus sin 6t. Use linear property. Then we are going to get L of sin 4t plus L of sin 2t minus L of sin 6t. We know that Laplace transform of sin at as a by s square plus a square. For this one, a equal to 4. For this one, a equal to 2. For this function, a equal to 6. So, we can get Laplace transform of sin 4t as 4 by s square plus 16. Laplace transform of sin 2t as 2 by s square plus 4. Laplace transform of sin 6t as 6 by s square plus 36. This is the Laplace transform of given function, that is sin t, sin 2t, sin 3t. These are few problems, exercise problems. Work out and find out the Laplace transform of these functions. These are the references books which I am used. Thank you, one and all.